Alright, welcome back. Still on simultaneous equations, but now we're going to test whether you can create your own equation. So November 2017, solve for x and y. So whenever you see x and y simultaneous, right? Given 3x minus y equal 4, x squared plus 2xy minus y squared equal negative 2. So that's what's given to you. Alright, so follow what's being done. Alright, so first I take the first equation, generally that I want to have x squared, and I manipulate it. So if I take 3, 4 across, becomes 3x minus 4, and if I bring y across, becomes positive. So y equal 3x minus 4, equation 1. Alright, there's my equation 2 as given. Now I substitute. Wherever I see y, I'm going to put in 3x minus 4. 3x minus 4, y squared, 3x minus 4 squared. So enjoy testing this because you'll always forget the middle term. So I have x squared, 2x times 3x, 2 times 3 gives me 6, x times x gives me x squared. Positive times negative is negative, 2 times 4 gives me 8, 8x, right? Negative. Now, shortcut squaring a binomial, 3 times 3 gives me 9. X times x, x squared. 3x times negative 4 gives me negative 12. Negative 12 times 2 becomes negative 24x, right? Negative times negative positive, 4 times 4, 16. Minus 2, I just carry down further. Right, so now I have x squared plus 6x squared gives me 7x squared minus 8x minus 9x squared, positive 24x, negative times positive, negative 16. Equal negative 2. 7x squared minus 9x squared gives me minus 2x squared. 24 minus 8 gives me 16x squared. And minus 16 plus 2 gives me negative 14. Alright, you should see there's a common factor of negative 2. So I divide everything by negative 2. 16 divided by negative 2 gives me negative 8. Minus 14 divided by negative 2 gives me positive 7. Last term positive, middle term negative, therefore my signs must be negative and negative. X squared broken up, x times x. Minus 7 times minus 1, positive 7. Minus 7x, if I multiply the two closest, minus 1x gives me minus 8x. So from here I have x equal to 1 or x equal to 7. So when x equal to 1, 3 times 1, minus 4 plus 3 gives me minus 1, or x equal to 7, 3 times 7, 21, minus 14, y equal to 17. Again, now, making y subject to the formula or creating equation 1, now you get the extra free mark for creating equation 1. 1 mark always for correct substitution, so substituting equation 1 correctly in. Writing in standard form, so you see the x squared, x constant term, factors, factorizing x values and getting my y values. That makes up your 6 marks, alright? Now there they've just done it differently. If you want to, you can make x the subject to the formula. Alright, then you're dealing with fractions, so now when you substitute in fractions in place of x, right, y squared, y times 4 times 2 gives me 8y, 4 times 4, 16 over 9. There I would have 2y plus 8, right, divided by 3 times y, so that 2y becomes y squared, right, and there minus y squared. So if I simplify, multiplying the 3 away, that is what I end up with. Alright. So as I say, you can follow the more complex process or you can just go easier. Generally try to avoid fractions unless you enjoy working with fractions. Alright. All the best. Goodbye.